right. We are now at our second resort of our stay. First was Caribbean Beach. We are at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. We're gonna find our room. We're actually staying at Copper Creek at Wilderness Lodge.
Our room was ready really early, at like 8 o'clock this morning.
It was a pleasant surprise when we were on our way to studios, or waiting actually to get on the Skyliner to go to studios, said our room was ready.
We did not get a boarding group for Ride of the Resistance.
Fortunately not. But at least we've been on.
Yeah.
Going to enter the lobby area, which we love. We love this resort.
One of our favorites. We can show you the store later.
Yeah, we'll definitely go to the store later.
Christmas!
And there's Christmas merchandise. We love Christmas. It's our favorite holiday. And it's exciting to see the merch coming out. I believe it was yesterday, the day before, they just started to hit some of these resorts. But here's the lobby. It is huge. One of the things we love about it.
Wow. So big.
It really does feel like you're at a grand lodge.
And like awesome log cabin.
Let's go check out, let's just go check out the Christmas merch now.
Too excited not to.
Too excited.
They have the blanket we saw.
Oh yeah. Oh, the pillows.
Oh my goodness. They have the gingerbreads.
We have been.
Oh my goodness.
It's the cutest. It's just Mickey Mouse. There's also a Minnie Mouse.
Put them all down. You know? It's fine. It's fine. Well, they're scented.
Can you help her, Dad?
Can you pick that one up? I'm sorry.
What else do we got here?
Thank you.
Those are just regular colored ears. No special ears, but there are some. Yeah, those are cute. Those are cute, yeah.
That's cute. Nice.
The new Spirit jerseys are out. What's in here?
It is cookie cutters.
Oh, okay.
And like a baking set.
Nice.
Holiday baking set. And it's $40.
Is that a candle?
It is a candle.
It,
And it's gingerbread scented. You want to smell it? Okay.
'Tis the season, guys. This is very exciting.
Christmas is starting now.
Christmas is starting now. Is that a...
Oh, those are so cute. Are they like joggers?
Is this for you and Jocelyn? Okay, so we need to get our own. Katie, which one would you like to pick?
Oh, I don't know. Not the one that...
Pick a good one. I trust you. He's good. He's good. He's good.
That's gonna be difficult for people.
Gotta get through all the ones that are going on property.
Sleeping pants are cute.
They are cute. Your journey. What? Sleep.
I'm gonna go check out over here.
Yeah, that looks like some cool leggings.
More merchandise.
Looks like
Cute kids
Main
shirt.
Street,
Yeah, a little bit of Main Street
Castle,
there.
The train.
else do we have here? Oh, some hot chocolate. We got candy cane, double chocolate,
That's
cinnamon.
cocoa.
A lot of people like these tins. I think last year's
Bless you.
you could spin it and it made. Yes, this one does too.
If we wish you a Merry Christmas.
These are the ones I got last year, so they're different. Which are this year's ones?
It's starting to feel like Christmas. Oh, those are nice leggings.
Those are pretty nice.
Nice. I think that covers.
That would look good with the pass holder shirt.
Oh, that is. Oh, Katie, that is a great call.
Great idea, Katie.
Thank you.
We'll be on the hunt for more.
One of our favorite things are these leggings. They're $39.99. Did you get both bags? Oh, we're at the end, aren't we?
Gotta go down? Okay. It looks like it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do a room tour. Alright, so first thing, we have a nice little hall in the room. Right to your left, you have your closet. Got your extra pillow and blanket. Enough space to hang some clothes.
Put some suitcases.
Yeah, you can put some suitcases in here. You've got your ironing board and iron. Your safe. You want to put any merch, any shopping that you've done, you can put in there too. And then, next to that is our kitchen area. Plenty of space in the pantry. Got your
Wine opener.
our very important wine opener.
Beer bottle opener or just bottle opener. And your trash. It's down here.
Okay.
Put it down here.
And again, we are staying at Copper Creek at the Wilderness Lodge, which is part of the vacation club. And with that, you do get a microwave, which is nice.
But you don't in the other standard rooms and a toaster. Ice bucket.
Just a standard coffee maker.
And some coffee. And sweet and low and sugar and some creamer.
Let's go ahead and open this. Is there anything in here? No.
Yeah.
It's a little It's not very cold. We'll have to check that out. But on the other side is the bathroom. Lighting is interesting. Not directly on the mirrors. A lot of them do have that. But this is nice marble counters. I like the finishings. Let's see what else we got. Shower, pretty standard size. Nice big shower head. Now at Vacation Club resorts, you still get the small sized body wash, shampoo, and conditioner that you can take with you. And the standard resorts, if it's the value, the deluxe, the moderates, they actually have the bottles bolted to the bathroom or to the shower wall. So it's always a nice treat in the Vacation Club resorts. Nice totem pole art. You can see several totems throughout the resort. And then for privacy, when you're showering or doing whatever you need to do, there's a nice sliding door. Hello. It's a queen size bed. Would you say?
Yeah, probably.
Pull out couch. It's a storage area. Can be a TV, like a table TV tray. Sometimes there are additional pillows and linens in there.
Yeah. They're in the closet this time.
Got your TV.
So I went outside.
Uh-huh.
And very close to Geyser Point, which is exciting.
Okay, let's go inside. Is it open already?
Yes.
Interesting thing about outside. I mean, I love the view of the Wilderness Lodge.
And very open to neighbors. Like there's no.
That is very what's interesting
Or
about
is
it.
like, I think this is like could be, you know how some 2-bedrooms have a like walk off? I think this is a 2-bedroom walk off, and this is a walk off portion.
I mean, that would make sense.
Because this one side is like walled off, but this
And
one
that building in the
isn't.
distance is Geyser Point. It's a restaurant. It's a really good restaurant and like bar area.
Lounge, one of our favorite lounges.
Yeah. Okay. This is nice and peaceful. I really like the trees. Could have some wine on these chairs. Okay, can you open the door for me, please?
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. I hope you can hear me.